Flip Your Worth TV, back at it again. New day, new vlog, same hustle. You know the motto. So today is another On the Hunt episode. I've been looking to get a property in Miami for a while, so I'm out here just kind of checking out some different things, and I think I found one that has really good potential for what I'm trying to use it for. And I hope it makes sense. Right now the numbers look good on it. Just trying to make the deal come together. So I ain't gonna talk too much. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna start from the front of the house. We're gonna walk through it, tell you what I want to do with it, give you some of my ideas. At the end of the video, let me know let me know what you think about it, and if you think it's a good idea, a good move. Should I move on it? What I should pay for it? Would you stay there? What's your idea of my finishes? All that good stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so here's the house from the outside. I'll show you this side of it too. So what I like about it is that it's a corner lot. And this is something, I'm out here in Miami. I actually want to buy this, renovate it, and hold it. Keep it as a like an Airbnb property. So what I like about it is, like I said, it's a corner lot. And the good thing about having a corner lot is that it eliminates certain issues with neighbors, especially if people are making noise and things like that. As you can see, there's a huge backyard. But I'll show you. I'm gonna get to all that in a second. Let's take the tour of the inside. All right, so right here we have the I guess this would be the living area. First things first, I can tell you what I would do is this wall right here, completely eliminate it, open it up so you have a nice open flow of space. Because everybody likes the open space the open space concept. So you come in here, probably put a TV up on the wall, do some nice couches over there. Now the floors, I would either do the all white marble style floors, or I would do like the wide plank wood floors to give it a very modern look, or that high-end luxurious look. I eliminate these fans, put recessed lights, make it real bright in here. Everything in here is already kind of white, but it needs to be freshened up, so I do a fresh white paint. Everything with the new recessed bright lights will make the space feel a lot bigger, because it's not a big house, as you probably can see. But when you open up walls and everything, that definitely makes the space feel a lot bigger. So you come in here, like I said, I'll do those floors. Those floors will flow through the whole house to give it one consistent theme. Here you have a closet or a pantry, same thing, but I will completely eliminate this, because if you see on this side, you have the kitchen. It's just too choppy of a layout. And if I want to maximize the space in this house, like I said, because it's a small house, then what I'm gonna do is I would eliminate this whole pantry. And instead of having, like, this would all be gone too. We would run the cabinets along that back wall, move the sink to that back wall, probably could leave the stove and fridge on this side, obviously be new stainless steel appliances. But I have a stove and fridge here, fridge encased with the cabinet to give it that custom look. Run the cabinets against that wall. I'm gonna eliminate this window because it's not necessary. So this way that gives me more cabinet space, so I can run upper cabinets there, lower cabinets here. We go all the way down. And then, like I said, this will be gone. So cabinets will probably stop right here. And then you do an island that comes out. So the island would probably come out to about right here. The overhang from the countertop would probably come out to about right here. But what you do when you eliminate that is now you have, this is all wide open. So right now where it looks choppy, it makes a big difference. And I'll show you why. Because like I said, you come in through the front door, this wall gone, that wall gone. As soon as you hit that curve, you looking right here, and that's just all open right there. And you get to see your nice appliances on the back end. Remember the fridge and the stove, you'll see that in the straight view. And you'll have a dining room table right here. Like I said, this is all open, and it'll just feel more spacious. Bright lights in here, everything will be nice. This right here, I would open this wall up too, just to have more space to walk through, because it's not a big house. So opening this up just gives you more mobility when you're in this area. Now here's the master, decent sized bedroom. Actually, it's actually a pretty large bedroom, but the fault of this is that they have such a small bathroom. But I mean, it is what it is. It's a small house, so you can't expect a huge bathroom. But it's workable. I mean, you could do something with it. I probably would eliminate the tub completely and just do a stand-up shower, but not sure on that yet. Come in here, nice size master closet. Obviously, this would be redone, but I'd repaint the whole thing. Some nice doors on here, nice closet door. I mean, to be honest, these closet doors it's not even bad. It really could just be painted and saved. But I'd probably put a new door, just a regular door that can open and close opposed to the bifold door. All right, so we walked through here. We got through the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, master bedroom. You cut through here. We got 2 more bedrooms. So you got this bedroom right here. Decent size. You know, maybe put a bed here, or you could put a bed there. I'm not a fan of putting beds in front of windows because I like to have the view in a natural light. So you can actually put a bed like right here. And if I use it as an Airbnb, honestly, I probably would put 2 beds in here. One here, one there, to maximize the amount of people that can stay in the space. Got your closets. Throw a TV up there. Come in here. It's a bathroom, but I'll get to this other bedroom. Here's your 3rd bedroom, pretty small. I mean, it's your standard size. It's like a 10 by 12, so that's a standard size bedroom. Definitely got to change the door, because if you notice, they got different doors. Can't do it. It's got to be all one consistent theme. Got a big closet here. Definitely need some doors on it. And they actually made this so high, they might have to frame it down and put some custom, because this would need custom doors. So I might have to drop that down some so I can use some standard doors, save you some money. But yeah, have the thing here. I probably have to put central air in here, see how I'm gonna do, if I wanna go that way, or if I wanna go with the wall units, not the window unit, but the wall. I gotta see which one I wanna do with this one. Because sometimes I always put central air in my joints, but this one may be better. It may be better to do the wall for this one. So here's the bathroom. This bathroom is actually pretty updated. They said it was new. It's okay. It's some of the design choices would not be mine, but I'm not mad at it. It's usable and it still looks decent. Only thing I don't like is if you're gonna do the towel all the way around, they should have stopped here, because stopping here makes it a weird place to put the mirror, because now your mirror's up here. You don't want your mirror that high. Like you want it to be lower so that you can obviously have full use of it. Let's come through here. So it shows you everything in here. Just one last thing on the interior. Well, you got a little washer and dryer in here too. This all will have to be, repainted, patched up, cleaned up. Run that flooring through here too. Now here's this back room. It looks like it was once a garage and they decided to close it up, convert it into a room. I don't like these little step downs. So this one is a little tricky because I would like to just make this into a 4th bedroom. But by code, like let's say I wanted to make this a 4th bedroom, I can't have that door, the back door in the bedroom. You can have doors on the bedroom, but you need to have a dedicated front door and back door. You have to have 2 entrances and exits in the house. So if I use this as a bedroom, this is the only other exit out the house, and that won't work. And right now, there's not really anywhere else where I can put another door. So that may be tricky, but I'm gonna figure that out. Because I'm also thinking that I can bump this out right here, cut the laundry room in half over here, and then make that a way where you can come through this area, and then that's your back door out there. And then right here, I can put sliding doors, or I could just completely close this door all completely just close this door off. But I was thinking about putting sliding doors here because I would like to make this like either a game room or a lounging area, because the main focal point of this yard is I want to have a big swimming pool. So as you see, you got the huge yard. First thing I'm gonna do is put a nice tall 6-foot fence, probably like a white fence, maybe even like a white PVC, or I might go another route, but probably a white PVC fence. High end, go all the way around, 6 or 8 feet, so that being that it's a corner lot, you have your complete privacy. But then put a nice big pool with a jacuzzi right in the center, maybe even a little waterfall. Over here, I might eliminate this shed, but over here do like a little cabana style, a little cabana area with like outdoor patio furniture, put a fire pit there, something real sexy. Here I can also use this as like an outdoor eating area. I'd like to put an outdoor kitchen, so I can find a space for that, because the yard is so big that you have a lot of options. I'd probably put it maybe over there, or move the cabana on this side, or move the cabana that way, have it over here so it's away. You're cooking, you don't want people in your way and everybody bumping into you, so you have your space. But the house has a lot of potential. This is the back of it, and could do some things with it. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a brief tour of the place. I like to do the walkthroughs of the properties as I'm going through them, give you my ideas and kind of what I want to do with it. This one has a lot of potential. I've been trying to get something in Miami for a while, but the market out here has been ridiculous. Everybody's overpaying for everything. I don't really want to overpay. I always like to be a smart investor and spend my money wisely. And then being that I want to use it for an Airbnb, I need specific things. So I'm looking for a specific look, and I need very specific thing because I know how it will function. Like I said, the privacy, having it on the corner lot, not having to worry about neighbors. And then it's actually like a highway right there. A lot of people don't like living next to highways, but how that benefits me if I use it as an Airbnb is if people are here and they're making a little noise at night because it's a pool or they're playing music loud, I don't got to worry about anybody complaining, because clearly you live next to a highway. So noise is not really a big issue for the neighbors around here. So that's some of the things I like. Normally for a normal house, those don't always work, but for this specific project, for what I'm trying to do, it actually comes in handy. So I ain't gonna talk y'all to death. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Flip Your Worth TV, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell at the top for notifications for anytime I drop a new video, and I'll holler at you on the next one. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram too. Holla.